Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on Huawei P20 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the back cover. Here we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cup pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. While removing the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint plug is attached to the back cover. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and the fingerprint plug. Now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, undo 5 screws to take out the top bracket. Next, disconnect and pull out the network in front camera from the board. Next, pull out the network in 2-in-1 rear camera unit by disconnecting two connector plugs. Next, place a new rear camera unit by connecting both plugs. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Next, place the bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, connect the fingerprint and battery plugs to the board. Next, place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.